If one day you feel like crying, call me. I don't promise that I'll make you laugh, but I can cry with you. If one day you want to run away, don't be afraid to call me. I don't promise to ask you to stop, but I can run with you. If one day you don't want to listen to anyone, call me. I promise to be there for you, and I promise to be very quiet. But if one day you wanted to call me and say that you are dying, then don't call me, please. I'll not be there to answer your call, because my life will be one day less than yours.